Good morning. Well, it's our first full day in New Orleans and we are about to head out to the National World War II Museum. This was something that William had on his list of things that he wanted to do, so we're really excited. We're not exactly sure what else we're going to do for the day because we heard it takes a while to go explore this wonderful museum, so let's just see what that has in store for us and then we'll let you know our next plan. But here we go. Museum. Let's go inside. It's cold out here.
Over our heads, we struggled to make the shore through the relentless gunfire. But all 12 of them fought hard, and 6 hours later, we safely reached the hills.
I shipped overseas to Edinburgh, Scotland.
December 7, 1941, a state of war has existed between the United States and the Japanese Empire.
I think he's enjoying his visit. What do y'all think?
In the fight.
So what do you think about it so far?
Really
good. Really good. It's even better than you thought it would be?
Yeah. It's amazing all the stuff that they got. It was probably donated from people that had.
Yeah.
Ever greater place.
So why can they hold it up?
Because it's blown up, a blown up balloon basically.
Like an inflatable tank?
It's an inflatable tank. They had inflatable trucks, jeeps. I mean, they made.
So just little fake things they left around?
No, they made up entire armies to fake out the Germans.
I didn't know
in
that.
The different attacks.
That's
I
cool.
mean, they just thousands of this stuff was made just to make them believe when the photo reconnaissance of the Germans, they were actually thinking an entire army was being set up for the Catapults in France to invade there.
I did not know that. The neat thing about that last uniform is that's what my grandfather wore in World War II, similar to his uniform, so it's kind of neat to see it. We're back from the National World War II Museum, and it was a great place to visit. I would highly suggest it when you come to New Orleans. They had so many exhibits, as you just saw. After we saw the exhibits, we went to lunch and at a restaurant in the museum. We also went to see their movie Beyond All Boundaries, which was hosted by Tom Hanks, and it was such a good movie. It was kind of like 4D kind of theater, and we would recommend you do that too. It was a great way to end the day at the World War II Museum. We walked around a little bit, and then we came back to the hotel, rested a little bit, and now we are heading to Landry's, which is a great seafood restaurant locally, very close to our hotel. We can walk there, and so we're about to do that now. Are you eating at, William?
Oh,
Where are we eating?
Landry seafood salsa.
Yeah. What are you gonna order?
I'm going to get the crawfish etouffee with over white rice.
I'm gonna get the broiled seafood platter. The Ventura. That's a nice ship.
There might be 5,000 of those.
Oh, it's P&O. Look at that.
Yeah, crawfish etouffee.
Yum.
Smells great.
Get in your belly.
Yeah.
I got the broiled seafood platter. Yum. I don't even know what all this is. This looks so good. I know that's a lobster now. Whew, we are so full and we are in for the night. We actually have a real map for those young people. This is what your map looks like that we're kind of looking at right now to kind of make a plan for tomorrow and decide what places we want to go to that we haven't been to, because tomorrow's our last full day in New Orleans, because on Saturday we get on the cruise ship. Yay! What do you say, William? Woohoo! Woohoo! We get on cruise ship on Saturday, so we have one full day in New Orleans for tomorrow. So we really are truly looking at the map and also hit some spots we haven't hit, and we look forward to taking you along with us. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.